Holdings. Holdings functions previously found within the left-hand holdings panel can now be found within the lower table toolbar to provide more space for the map. The product type and folio selectors can be found on the left of the toolbar. The folio selector now uses a traffic light system to show the status of each folio. A folio can carry one or a combination of the following status. Green means the folio is active and on board. Amber means it's on board, but inactive. Red means the folio is ashore. You'll see the same traffic light indicators when viewing product spatials on the chart. Green means everything's in order. Amber means user action is needed, either to correct or renew the product. Red means the product shouldn't be used. It might be outdated, cancelled, or the digital license has expired. The search feature filters the map spatials as well as the table, allowing users to search and find items for quick reference. For example, if you want to view all old editions in your folio, you can use the search function to filter all with that status. Or, if you want to view your active items, you can type active in the search box to see all products in your holdings that are active. The holdings reports can now be found on the right side of the table toolbar. In addition to onboard chart and publication holdings, Compass also lists anything from equipment holdings, flags, and other navigational equipment to tender cards. If you require a demo or any more information, please contact your yacht manager.